Road to Olympiad.
Welcome to RTO. Consider the following problem. Find all the possible remainder when the 100th power of an integer is divided by 125. Of course, we can try to find the remainder when each of the number from 1 to 125 is raised to the 100 powers and is divided by 125. But this is a tedious way. There's a much easier way that we can find the answer. Pause the video if you like to give this problem a try, and when you are ready, keep watching to learn how to solve it. To start with these problems, we notice that an integer can be written in one of these ways, where k is an integer. If the integer is 5k, then clearly 5k raised to the 100th power is divisible by 125. Therefore, the remainder will be equal to 0. If the integer is 5k plus or minus 1, then the 100th power of these integers can be found by binomial theorem, which is equal to this one. Notice that we can write 100 as 5 squared times 4, and also this term can be simplified as 5 to the power of 3 times 4k. So for the remainder, clearly when 5k is raised to the power of 3 and above, it is definitely divisible by 125, and thus the remainder will be equal to 0. For the next term, 5 squared times 5k the whole thing squared is clearly divisible by 125 as well, so the remainder is equal to 0 too. 5 cubed, which is 125, is clearly divisible by 125 as well, so the remainder is equal to 0 too. And the remainder of 1 when divided by 125 is 1. So the remainder when 5k plus or minus 1 raised to the power of 100 is divided by 125 will be equal to 1. If the integer is 5k plus or minus 2, then similarly the 100th power of this integer can be found by binomial theorem, and we will get this one. By the similar argument as just now, all these are divisible by 125. So we just need to consider the remainder when 2 to the power of 100 is divided by 125. Notice that 2 to the power of 100 can be written as 4 to the power of 50, which is equal to 5 minus 1 to the power of 50. By the binomial theorem again, we obtain this one. Then we can use the similar argument as just now again. All these numbers are divisible by 125 except for the last one. Therefore, the remainder when 2 to the power of 100 is divided by 125 is 1. In other words, doesn't matter what the number is, when the 100th power of it is divided by 125, we'll get the remainder 0 if it is a multiple of 5, and we'll get a remainder 1 when it is not. And this marks the end of the solutions. Post in the comment below if you have any thought on the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. This will really help us out. Anyway, see you in the next video. Thank you.